What's going on YouTube? This is KREESE here. Today I wanted to show y'all my rig. This is where all my video editing, my schoolwork, gaming, if I'm doing computer games, this is where it all goes down. This is where the magic happens. So I wanted to take y'all through, show y'all all my components, about my tower and everything. And I did build this computer with the help of my great friend Spencer Gainey. You can check him out on YouTube. He's on there as well. Be sure to check his channel out. He does a lot of computer stuff. He's in school for programming and coding, so he's a computer expert. The guy's awesome, so check him out for any computer needs that you might have. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up and I'll tell you all about it. So first off, going around here to the back, I wanted to keep everything clean, just the minimalist look with not that many wires. So I've got my Ethernet cable here. This is my Logitech wireless USB dongle for you can connect up several devices on it. Right now I'll show y'all what I've got. This is the Logitech, the M705 wireless keyboard. I mean MK700 710, I'm sorry. It's pretty awesome. I like it. You got your mouse here. This is what I use, and as y'all can see, got Premiere Pro open, editing some videos. Got several things going on here, uploading, also working on some schoolwork here. Anyway, so got a lot going on, and this thing can handle it too. So outside, rear, copying some videos over on the Hero 3 Plus, which is my buddy Spencer's. He's letting me use for the summer so I can get some extra shots in for y'all. It's the front of it here. Cooler Master Tower. And I'll go over the list of parts and everything for y'all. We'll turn it around and open up this case. So if you can see this, you gotta kind of catch the light just right. This is the HAF Cooler Master case, high airflow. It's kind of hard to see. Anyway, a little dusty. Could probably clean it off. Hadn't cleaned it in a while. Another fan here. Go ahead and open this case up for y'all. Thing I like about this case, it's got two screws here that you can remove with your hand. Just pull this, comes right off. Alright, so we got the case opened up. You can see here I got a fan. This is just the regular fan that came in the case, along with this fan right here in the rear. Only fans I've added, I've got two Cooler Master, the Sickle Flow, 120 millimeters with the green LEDs. I have two up top that I use as an exhaust, so I have them set to blow straight up to exhaust the hot air out. I've got the fans at the bottom blowing in cool air. This one pulls in air, so I'm bringing the cool air because heat rises. I bring the cool air in and exhaust it up out the top. Also have one fan up front. This is another same 120 millimeter Cooler Master Sickle Flow green LED. I've got it right up here up front, and this also bringing air in. So the case open right now, I'm about 38 degrees Celsius, which 40 degrees Celsius is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm running around body temperature right now, 98.6 or so. I'll show y'all down here at the bottom. Kind of got the overclock genie buttons down here at the bottom. Alright, and now I'll go over the component list with y'all. Alright, so the tower is a Cooler Master HAF 912. Power supply, I'm using a Corsair HX 850. Cut the light on so y'all can see a little bit better. The motherboard in here, I'm using a MSI 990 FXA GD80V2. The GPU I'm using is a EVGA and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 460. That's that bad boy right there. was sexy. Got a CPU is a AMD FX 8350 Vishera. It's 4 gigahertz. It's the world's first 8-core processor. Can't see it, but it's right behind that heat sink in the fan. I used the I purchased some Arctic Silver 5 thermal paste to put between the heatsink and the processor, but I ended up using just the thermal paste that came on the AMD processor. The RAM I'm I've got G-Skill Ripjaws X series, and so far I have a total of, I started out with just 8 gigs of RAM, and I ended up adding later on another 8 gigs of RAM, so I have a total of 16 gigs of RAM in the system. Seagate Barracuda 1 terabyte, 6 gigs a second mechanical drive. That's right here. And then down here in this small slide, I'm gonna have to put the light on it so y'all can see it. Very small, guys, right here. We've got the Samsung SSD 850 EVO. It's a 250 gig SSD solid state drive, and I run my operating system off of it, which I'm using running Windows 10 right now, and my backup, which is I've got it as my F drive, the Seagate Barracuda. My 1 terabyte I just keep a bunch of just for storage, but I run my OS off of the SSD. The DVD-ROM I'm using is the LG Black 14X. That's it up here. So you can see the LG Blu-ray player, all that good stuff. It's pretty bad to the bone. Like I said, I did purchase the 3 Cooler Master Sickle Flow fans also. But this is it. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.